Hello everyone, it's Dave from JD Cycle Works. Today we have a nice video for you. It's a comparison between the D&D big bore baffle and the quieter Vortex Baffle on a 2024 Street Glide with the 117, the Cyclorama 484 cam. It has an R&S air filter on it. It's a pretty cool comparison. I think you guys enjoy seeing is you'd expect that when you put this Vortex Baffle and take off the big bore that you'd lose a lot of power with this. I was kind of expecting to see that power come down at the top and the torque to come in earlier, which the torque did do that, but the power at the top stayed the same. Check it out. The last time we worked on this bike is right here is, let me see, two different runs, is a blue line. The blue line here is the D&D with the big bore baffle, the 2-in-1. And you can see here it's a little softer here, but at 3,700 RPMs, they're pretty much exact. Now today's October. We last did this one, I think, August. Of course, temperature's different, but my dyno is pretty good with correction factors and keeping things comparable. But with the quieter baffle, the torque just comes down a little earlier.
Vortex?
Quieter Vortex Baffle, yes, thank you. But it's pretty interesting to see that. I was expecting this here to really change a lot. I was expecting to see up here change a lot with the quieter baffle. But no, it kicked up here and it kind of settled down and everything else stayed the same. You know, which could mean two things. That the baffles are working similar, which they don't. Or there might be some other restriction somewhere that's just holding the top end power down. Or hey, is what it is. Sometimes you don't always get the results you think you're going to get. Anyway, it's going to be it's really cool to be able to deliver the same power with a little more low end torque and also have a little less sound to make your ride a little more enjoyable if you want that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. We'll talk to you soon.